River today, and she's looking absolutely beautiful. Look at that, you can see the bottom from here. I'll see you in there, guys.
I decided to test out one of Ocean Hunter's new railguns. It's one of the Ocean Hunter Huntsman railguns with the reverse trigger mechanism. I purchased one in 1 meter length. I was hoping to use this when the water conditions aren't good, and when it's dirty, when a shorter gun is needed. I do miss quite a few shots in this episode. This dive was primarily just to explore the TWEED River, as there are parts of the TWEED River that I have never seen before. It took me a couple of shots to figure out this gun, as I'm more used to my Rob Allen type gear. So yeah, please bear with me. The goal was to come home with a few whiting, but that didn't work out as planned. But it was awesome to see the TWEED River like this.
All that for a drop of blood.
Managed to get one legal size whiting. Look guys, I'm not proud of it, but not every dive is gonna be one big trophy fish shot. Most of the time it's I come home with nothing, or the water's too dirty for it to be diveable. That's just how it is most of the time. Now with one whiting in the bag, I decided to explore the river and head upstream further. I found this rocky part that goes down deep to around 10 meters. It was pretty cool to see. I managed to see some good sized tailor and brim. However, I wasn't too fussed about filling the bag of fish today. I wanted to explore the river and see what it was like. And it was very cool to see. As you can see here, there's lots of brim. Some big ones in there as well. It was a nice dive. I got to explore parts of the TWEED River that I've never seen before, and I managed to get one nice whiting. After that, I decided to check one spot on the way home. I'm sure people would be able to recognize it in the video. It's not really a secret. It's the Gold Coast Spit on the south side of the wall. Because it was winter, there was lots of mullet around. I don't mind eating these fish, they're actually quite nice. Managed to take 2 home, and I got myself a nice little parrotfish. In Queensland, the minimum length take for parrotfish are around 25 centimeters. And minimum take is 5. So yeah, it wasn't a bad shore dive. With all that blood being spilt in the water, it managed to grab the attention of a bronze whaler shark. This shark was being a pest. It wasn't interested in the fish on my float or the other two divers in the area. It kept coming in and out of my view, and in dirty water, I wasn't going to risk being bit. I let the two other divers in the area know. I think they saw it as well, and we decided to call it and leave.
Alright, shark!
The next day I got hit up from one of my dive buddies to check out a spot. The conditions were awesome, with swell being low and visibility being great. Just as we swam to the reef, I noticed a huge mulloway. But today, they were being cautious. As soon as I made the drop, they were gone. They did not want nothing to do with me. This spot gets hit very often, so the fish here are sometimes very flighty.
I saw a mile away, did you see it?
I had 3 big ones swim right under me.
Fuck! They're here!
I saw the mackerel just then too.
How big?
I thought there was about 40 of them.
My dive buddy also saw a huge school of school mackerel. After that, we were determined to bring home a fish, but unfortunately we did not see those mulloway again. But my dive buddy managed to shoot a nice sized bonito. I ended up shooting a yakka as I forgot to bring my flow flasher that day. When there's heaps of bait around, if you're able to shoot one, you can sometimes use them as a flow flasher and they're just as better. With that being said and done, it wasn't long until we ran into the school of mackerel again. The size limit for school mackerel in Queensland is 50 centimeters as the minimum, and you're only allowed 10 per person, but I only needed 2 of these. Unfortunately, I ended up missing the first shot on this school mackerel. This cheeky little wobbegong thought he could eat my yakka that I was using as a throw flasher. I thought I'd put this clip up in here because I thought it was hilarious. It wasn't long until that yakka managed to attract the school mackerel again, and I managed to get another shot at these mackerel. Got a nice holding shot on this one, and with that being said, I managed to secure it and put it on my float line. I had dropped the yakka again and I let it slowly sink to the bottom, and as it sank down to the bottom it managed to attract the attention of the school mackerel again, and I was able to secure a second school mackerel with that. As you can see here, I was trying to suss out the school, seeing if I could see the biggest one in there, as some of them were a bit small, but I was after the biggest one in that school. Got him! And with that, a second school mackerel in the bag. I was happy with that. These school mackerel ended up going 56 to 57 centimeters each. I was content with those 2 school mackerel. That was enough for me. My dive buddy also got a nice sized bonito, biggest one I've ever seen. It wasn't a bad dive, it was alright. Unfortunately, we were unable to get those mulloway. However, with the fish that we got, I can't complain.
Huh? Nice work. Yeah. Just been on.
That's all for today, guys. If you stuck around this far into the video, then thanks for watching. If you enjoy this style of spearfishing content, don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. Until then, I'll see you around, legends.